and it's me Prasiddhi. As you all know, I love nature. I thought of making a bird feeder for our small birdie friends. Whenever I go on a walk, I take my sketchbook and a pen because I find a lot of interesting things which I can draw in my sketchbook. But these days I've noticed that there are hardly very less birds. And I think that to bring back more birds, I can make a bird feeder. And to make a bird feeder, we need this. We need one milk carton, one brush, we need one marker, we need one craft stick, or we can even use one normal stick of a tree. We need some ice cream sticks, or we can even use a normal stick of a tree. Then I'm gonna use these small buttons as a little bit of decoration. Then I will use this double-sided tape. Then we need one ribbon. Then we need one scissor. Then we need one cutter, one punching machine. We need acrylic paint because acrylic paint stays for a longer time, whereas other paints like watercolor paint washes away. We need 2 rubber bands and we need 2 containers. So our first step is that we take this milk carton. I'm choosing a milk carton because it's very stiff and it has a nice shape. So now I'm going to take this template and going to make the mark. So this is how it looks like when we put the marking. So I've put it in the back and the front. So now I'm going to use this cutter to cut this marking. So this is how it looks like when we cut it out. So here's a small door for our birdie friends to go into. So our next step will be to cut this. To cut its corners. So now we'll pull it up a little, like for a nice shape. So now with the punching machine, I am going to make a hole. So with the punching machine, I have made a hole on the top, over here and over. So here our structure is ready. And now our next step is to paint. So over here our base is now beautifully painted in light blue color. Our next step will be to make the roof. So for making the roof, we need ice cream sticks and double-sided tape. Instead of ice cream sticks, we can even use normal sticks of a tree. So our first step will be for making the roof is open the double-sided tape. Then we will paste our sticks one by one. And now I will cut it. And the same way I have made one more roof. So now I am going to stick it. So I will open the double-sided tape. Then I'll take a rope and then I will stick it slowly from edge to edge. So now our roof is ready. And now I am going to put the ribbon. I have tied up in the top so that we can hang it on the tree. Okay? Our next step is to take a stick and then take one ice cream stick, a rubber band, then we put the ice cream stick and the craft stick together. We will put it through the hole. So on this, like the same way I have done on the other side too. Now I am going to take one container, one double-sided tape. Now I am going to paste it onto the container, and now I'll open this, paste it onto the ice cream stick. So if you want to decorate it, you can even decorate it with small things. So I am using one button, and I am going to now paste it. If you want, you can decorate your bird feeder a little bit more. So I'm gonna decorate it with this stick. I'll make one small polka dots like this. So here I have completed putting my polka dots, and now it's beautifully designed. And now we are going to keep some food for our birdie friends. So here I am keeping some food, grains, and now I am going to keep some water for them in the container. And a bird feeder is now ready. Now I am going to hang my bird feeder on the tree for our little birds to eat. So voila! Here, our bird feeder is now hanging.